Alright, the first step is to open your glove box, and you can squeeze on both sides, here and here, to pop the glove box down like that, and then you can drop it down here. You don't have to remove the little shock thing that holds the glove box, but it just attaches to right there. You can pop that right off. And the little cover behind which is the filter is this thing right here, and it's got one latch on either side, and I have to hold the camera so I can't do both at once. Now notice what direction it says the flow is. Airflow down. Pull that out. Wow, that's only been in there for not that long. It's got a lot of stuff on it. Set that aside. For the replacement, I have gotten this one from Amazon because it was cheaper than Walmart, and they had the carbon filter. Notice if you're getting one from Walmart, the Fram filter number is CF10133. You can find that in lots of different places. Toyota Corolla is a very common car. There's our filter. There it is with the wrapping off. So look here. On the end it has the same airflow direction indicator. So I'm just going to stick that back in there like such. Now notice on there are two little wedge things. Those things hold the filter up. So you want to make sure when you're putting that back in that those go underneath the filter instead of squishing the filter. So here we go. So I've stuck it back on there, and all I'm going to do is press it back in. I've got to click on both sides, and then we just put the glove box back on. Start by if you don't get this right, it won't work at all, so ta-da, back together. And that's one of the many reasons why I love the Toyota Corolla. Very easy to change out the cabin air filter.